Today I'm going to talk about quantifiers. So quantifiers are a integral part of regular expressions. They specify how many times you want a construct to be repeated to define text. So let's try it out on the cookies example here. We want to match cookies. All right. Now, before we get into quantifiers, let me back up. Actually, we want an assertion in this case. We want to assert the beginning and end of the line, and the way that you do that, use a begin anchor, which is the caret, and an end anchor, which is the $. And that means that that $sign represents the end of the line, and this is the beginning of the line. So it's only matching cookies because that's the only one with cookies all in one line. But we want to match numbers of cookies, so let's try /d. Alright, so /d matches a digit, just one digit. So the only line it matches in this case is 5 cookies. But let's say we want to match any number of cookies, 1 or up. So you do plus, and that's going to match all of these, because all of these have some number of digits before the cookies. Now there's something else that you can do with the plus indicates so it's going to match 1 or more times. There's another quantifier called the question mark, and in fact there are quite a few quantifiers, and they're all going to be in here in the .NET Regex reference, so you can review all of these yourself. You go to Regex reference and you select quantifiers, and all the quantifiers are listed here, and the description is down below. The one I'm going to use is the question mark. So in fact, I'm going to put /s in here, which is indicates white space, and then I'm going to do question mark. Question mark means match 0 or 1 times. 0 or 1 time. And I'm going to change this plus as well. I'm going to change the plus to, say, a star, which will be 0 or more times. So let's do that. Okay. Now suddenly it's transformed. Now it's matching everything. And to back up a bit, the reason that happens is /d star means match 0 or more times a digit. /s question mark means match 0 or 1 space, or character of white space. So in effect, those two characters there I've made optional, which is now why it matches cookies. Okay, so there's one other thing you can do, and that's to specify the exact amount of matches you want. You can do that with the braces here, and you've got several options actually, but let me choose the simple one first. Let's say we want just one. It's going to match 5 cookies there. To match 2 digits, it's going to match those 2. Match 3, 325. So you get the idea. But you can also specify a range. So you want between 1 or 2, matches all of that. Or you want 1 or up, you can do it like that. 2 or up, you do it like that. and so on. So this is just some of what you can do with quantifiers. They are incredibly useful, and I hope this is helpful.